I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it.
വളരെ നാടകീയമായ രംഗങ്ങൾക്കാണ് ഇന്ന് രാജ്യസഭ സാക്ഷ്യം വഹിച്ചത്. വളരെ നാടകീയമെന്ന് എടുത്തു തന്നെ പറയാം. ജോൺ ബ്രിട്ടാസ് എം പി, കേരളത്തിൽ നിന്നുള്ള CPIMൻ്റെ രാജ്യസഭ MP ആയിട്ടുള്ള ജോൺ ബ്രിട്ടാസ് ഒരു പ്രൈവറ്റ് മെമ്പർ ബില്ല് അവതരിപ്പിച്ചു. ഗവർണർമാരുടെ അധികാരങ്ങൾ വെട്ടിക്കുറയ്ക്കുന്ന ബില്ലാണ് അദ്ദേഹം അവതരിപ്പിച്ചത്. അതിൻ്റെ അവതരണവുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട് കിടന്ന നാടകീയമായ രംഗങ്ങളാണ് സഭയിൽ നടന്നത്. അതിനെ അവസാനം ഭരണപക്ഷ അംഗങ്ങൾ വോട്ടിനിട്ട് പരാജയപ്പെടുത്തുകയായിരുന്നു. അത് സഭയിൽ കൊണ്ടുവരാൻ പോലും അനുമതി നൽകാതെ, അതിനെ സഭയിൽ എത്തിക്കാൻ പോലും അനുമതി നൽകാതെ പുറമോട്ട് തള്ളിക്കളയുകയായിരുന്നു ഭരണപക്ഷം ചെയ്തത്. ജോൺ ബ്രിട്ടാസ് MP കൊണ്ടുവന്ന ആ ബില്ല് ഭരണപക്ഷത്തെ എത്രമാത്രം അസ്വസ്ഥമാക്കിയെന്ന് തെളിയിക്കുന്നതായിരുന്നു അവിടെ സഭയിൽ നടന്ന ദൃശ്യങ്ങൾ. ഏറ്റവും അവസാനം ലോക്സഭാ സെക്രട്ടറിക്ക് വ്യക്തമായ നിർദ്ദേശം പുറപ്പെടുവിക്കേണ്ട അവസ്ഥ വരെ എത്തി. ആ ലെവലിലേക്ക് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എത്തിയിരിക്കുകയാണ്. മാത്രമല്ല, സംഭവം ഇത്ര സീരിയസ് ആയപ്പോഴത്തേക്കും പ്രതിപക്ഷത്തുള്ള മറ്റ് രാജ്യസഭാ MP മാർ RJDയുടെ മനോജ് കുമാർ ഝായും പിന്നെ ജയറാം രമേശ് അടക്കമുള്ള ജോൺ ബ്രിട്ടാസിന് പിന്തുണമായ രംഗത്തെത്തും വളരെ ശ്രദ്ധേയമായ നീക്കമായിരുന്നു. അവസാനം ആളുടെ എണ്ണത്തിൽ കൂടുതലായിട്ടുള്ള ഭരണപക്ഷം അത് വോട്ടിനിട്ട് തള്ളുകയായിരുന്നു. പക്ഷേ എന്നിരുന്നാലും വളരെ സുപ്രധാനമായ ഒരു നീക്കമായിരുന്നു ജോൺ ബ്രിട്ടാസ് ഇന്ന് രാജ്യസഭയിൽ നടത്തിയത്. അത് വ്യക്തമായ ഒരു ഇമ്പാക്റ്റ് ഉണ്ടാക്കുകയും ചെയ്തു. അതിനുശേഷം പിന്നെ അദ്ദേഹം യൂണിവേഴ്സിറ്റി ഗ്രാൻഡ് കമ്മീഷനെതിരായിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ബില്ല് കൂടി അദ്ദേഹം അവതരിപ്പിച്ചു. പക്ഷേ അതിന് അവതരണ അനുമതി കിട്ടുകയും ചെയ്തു. ആ ബില്ല് അദ്ദേഹം പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുകയും ചെയ്തു. പക്ഷേ എന്നിരുന്നാലും ഗവർണർമാർക്കെതിരായിട്ടുള്ള വ്യക്തമായ ഒരു നീക്കത്തിന് ഇന്ന് വ്യക്തമായ ഒരു പിന്തുണ കൂടി ലഭിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ശ്രദ്ധേയമായ കാര്യം വെച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ, നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ തന്നെ പ്രതിപക്ഷത്തുള്ള മറ്റ് MP മാർ കൂടി ജോൺ ബ്രിട്ടാസിന് സഹായമായിട്ട് പിന്തുണയുമായിട്ട് രംഗത്തെത്തി എന്നുള്ളതാണ് ഏറ്റവും ശ്രദ്ധേയമായ കാര്യം. നമുക്കിന്ന് സഭയിൽ നടന്ന ആ നാടകീയ രംഗങ്ങൾ പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ടും കാണാം. വളരെ ദൈർഘ്യമുള്ളതാണ്. പക്ഷേ എന്നിരുന്നാലും ഓരോരോ പോയിന്റിലും വ്യക്തമായിട്ട് BJP പേടിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഭരണപക്ഷ അംഗങ്ങൾ ഒരുമിച്ചാണ് ഇതിനെ എതിർക്കാൻ വന്നതെന്ന് നമുക്ക് ശ്രദ്ധമായി കാണാൻ കഴിയും. ആ ദൃശ്യങ്ങൾ നമുക്ക് പൂർണ്ണമായിട്ടും കാണാം.
19. The Constitution Amendment Bill 2024, Amendment of Article 158. Dr. John Brittas to move for leave to introduce the bill.
Sir, I move for the leave of the House to introduce the bill to further amend the Constitution of India for ensuring the constitutional responsibility of governors towards the Council of Ministers in carrying out their functions by confining their roles strictly within the bounds of the constitutional provisions.
The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Please wait. Let us. Please wait. Please take your seat. माननीय शक्ति सिंह जी, रिकॉर्ड पे नहीं जा रहा. Please सीट पे बैठे. So we have to follow the basic जो अपने rules वो हैं. नहीं, if you want to speak briefly about it, very 2 line only, and then you can oppose for 2 lines. We'll go by the procedure.
Thank you, Deputy Chairperson. Sir, the government of India has been harping on
about the bill only.
Yes, sir.
Briefly.
Yes, sir. Cooperative federalism. One important and pertinent issue that is affecting and denting the cooperative federalism and the federal character of the Indian Constitution is the role of the governors. My bill is precisely to follow the spirit of the Constitution, which has been upheld on and again by the Supreme Court.
Thank you.
The bill pertains to, sir, there have been enough remarks and observations by different commissions, including Poonji Commission and also the commission which was there to look into the working of the Indian Constitution. All these commissions, sir, please give me 1 minute, emphasized on the fact that the governors should be allowed to perform at the advice of the Council of Ministers. What is happening now is that the governors are unleashed against the elected government.
Thank you. From this side, if दोनों ने वोटिंग करा देते नहीं
क्यों नहीं होगा
सपोज
क्यों नहीं होगा वोटिंग होगी
he will speak for 2 lines specifically 2 line बोला please.
Sir, just 2 things. Our constitution is considered to be the quasi federal and governor is considered to be the representative of the president. And if he is asked to abide by the Council of Ministers, then where is the right of President remains?
Thank you. Thank you. So again, please, no, बस दो आदमी जो अपोज कर, no, जहाँ साहब, no, please. So again, I'll read. Dr. John Bitters ji. Again, I will follow the rules. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. I think the ayes have it. No. Then we have to go for voting. No. Wait now. No. We have already opposed. Wait for now. We'll follow the procedure. नहीं, तिवारी जी, he demanded for voting, no? Division. He demanded for division. नहीं, we have to follow the rules. Tiwari ji just opposed. Then what option is left?
आपने कहा eyes have it by mistake. अगर आप कहें nose have it, then there is no need for voting. We have opposed the introduction.
So again I'm reading it. Please, again I'm reading. Please, Manoj ji, no. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. So you want division? No, sir, it has been there. Please keep silent. मनोज झा जी,
Sir.
नहीं आप बोले, आपका माइक ऑन है.
So, there is a precedent, there is one ruling from you, one friend from BJP from Kerala, he had moved a private member bill on amending the preamble of Indian Constitution. That day, noes were in greater number, yet you said, your ruling, look, there is a precedent, we'll go by ayes. So I want you to respect your own ruling. It was in that building, sir. Parliament की पुरानी building में.
No. This is not. No.
ये हुआ है. नीरज भाई, I swear it has happened.
मनोज जी, please.
It has happened.
Please,
It has happened,
take your seat. Please. We'll follow the process only. Voting पहले भी हुई है ऐसी चीजों में. Please, voting हुई है. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Manoj Jha ji, please take your seat. The chair is left with no option. No, demand for division again. Please. No, demand they have already, he has demanded. Mr. Tiwari has demanded. Please. Jairam ji, please take your seat. Jairam ji.
Of India, the Honorable Member Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi has just made a statement. Article 153 of the Constitution of India says, there shall be a governor for each state. The case law the case law given in the Constitution, the governor has a dual role. The first is that of a constitutional head of state bound by the advice of his council of ministers.
Sir, we are not discussing now this.
This is what?
Yeah,
but
bill
he
we had discussed.
he has
No,
misled the house.
No.
He's misled the house.
No, please take it. It's no, we are not going now this. नहीं प्लीज मैं जानना चाहूंगा, बहस के बीच में मिस्टर तिवारी खड़े हुए और उन्होंने डिवीजन की मांग की। आपने की थी डिवीजन की मांग? प्लीज।
नोज हैबिट ये कहा था।
नोज हैबिट। सो टेल मी व्हाट इट मीन्स।
इन्होंने मूव किया एक बिल, आपने हाउस के संज्ञान में लाया, इन्होंने आइज का, हमने नोज का। दैट मीन्स बिल इज नॉट टू बी एक्सेप्टेड। आपके मुंह से गलती से निकल गया आइज हैविट, उसके लिए हमने कहा कि नोज हैविट संख्या के बल के साथ।
नो प्लीज टेक योर सीट। नो मनोज झा जी प्लीज टेक योर सीट। मनोज झा जी प्लीज टेक योर सीट। मनोज झा जी please take your seat, please. Nothing is going on record. Please, ma'am, please, Mr. Manoj Jha ji, please take your seat. I should tell, हमें चेयर से रिपीट करना पड़ेगा दोबारा कि क्या है। I told you already, मैं रिपीट कर रहा था, फिर कर रहा हूं again. No, do not quit. No. Again, I am going repeat. The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Those against will please say no. The noes have it. Please. Please, the noes have it. Please, the noes have it. Please. No further discussion. We'll go by rules and procedure only. Please. No point of order during the final decision. Please. Nothing is going on record. No, please. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please. I have already repeated this time. If there was any error from the chair, I have already corrected it. Please.
Rule number 67, which deals with the motion for leave to introduce the bill. Sir, it says that Sudhanshu ne bola, Constitution doesn't permit, and this House doesn't have the right to take up such a bill. That was his argument. It says that, Rule 67, provided that where a motion is opposed on the ground that the bill initiates legislation outside the legislative competence, as argued by Sudhanshu, the chairman should permit a full discussion thereon.
I have already corrected myself again.
Sir, this is rule.
Please.
Sir, Rule 67.
जॉन ब्रिटास जी, मैंने दोबारा बिल के बारे में पढ़ा, आपने
quoting you.
Please. Division. Go for division now. Okay. He has asked for division. Mr. John Bridas has asked for division now, please. Now division. Now division. Please, Dr. John Bridas has asked for division. Now division. Let the lobbies be cleared. Let the lobbies be cleared. Secretary General will switch on the division bell. पहले भी हुआ है दो बार हुआ है। मैं दिखा दूं। Please take your seats. Dr. John Bridas ji, please take your seats. मनोज झा जी अपनी जगह बैठे। वोटिंग के दौरान आपस में बातचीत नहीं, प्लीज। माननीय सदस्यगण प्लीज अपनी अपनी जगह बैठे, अपने अपने चेयर पर। बैठकर बात नहीं आपस में। बज गई है ना? बज रही है जी। बज रही। जरा बोलिए, नीचे बोलिए।
सर होगी, लॉबी क्लोज होगी सर।
लॉबी क्लोज्ड है, बैठ जाए प्लीज।
सर लॉबी क्लोज होगी।
Now lobby is closed. Secretary General will now explain the voting procedure. प्लीज अपनी जगह बैठे।
Honorable members, Rule 252 within brackets 4 within sub brackets C provides that the recording of votes by automatic vote recording system. In order to record a vote through the automatic vote recording system, a member needs to be on his allotted seat. Provision for voting has been made in the multimedia device, MMD for short, on the desk of each member. This MMD has an integrated mic and a voting console containing 3 buttons: yes for eyes in green color, no for nose in red color, and abstain in yellow color on the right-hand corner. There is also a separately situated button, Vote Secure, provided on the bottom left-hand corner of the multimedia device. The voting process starts and ends with an alarm sound and display of a green bar of reducing size on each of the MMD. The countdown time of 10 seconds in reverse counting order will be visible to the members on their respective multimedia devices. Members can cast their votes by pressing the Vote Secure button available on the bottom left-hand corner of their devices and keeping it pressed. Simultaneously, press one of the yes, no, or abstain buttons of his or her choice. Each member must keep the Vote Secure button as well as one of the yes, no, or abstain buttons pressed simultaneously for 10 seconds. That is at the time of closing of the voting to register a valid vote. Once the valid vote is registered, the LED of the voting button pressed by the member will remain on, lighted on their devices. At the time of casting the vote, if the member observes that the LEDs of the yes, no, and abstain buttons are simultaneously blinking, it means that their vote is not being registered. Therefore, they shall immediately release the voting button pressed by them without releasing the Vote Secure button and have to press again within 10-second period to register a valid vote. During the voting period, the member can change his or her vote at any time. The button pressed at the time when the voting period is ending, that is at the 10th second, will be recorded. In case either one or both of the buttons are released prior to the closing of the voting period, the vote will not be registered. If a member finds that he or she has voted by mistake by pressing the wrong button, he or she can be allowed to correct the mistake through a correction slip devised for the purpose, provided he or she brings it to the notice of the chairman before the result of division is announced. The correction slips will be distributed to the honorable members who desire to correct their recorded vote by the officials of the Secretariat.
So, honorable members, now I shall now put the motion that leave be granted to introduce the bill to vote. The question is put. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the noes have it. Division. Please, no. आपस में बात नहीं, please. Honorable members, I am starting the voting process. The voting time starts from after the alarm sound. Division, Secretary General. Please wait. आपस में बात नहीं. डॉक्टर जॉन बिटासी, वेट फॉर रिजल्ट. आपस में कोई बात नहीं, प्लीज. यही था ना, इसी पर है ना. प्लीज प्लीज आपस में बात नहीं. हाँ 19 था, अब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. माननीय सदस्यगण, प्लीज. रिजल्ट ऑफ द डिवीजन, प्लीज आपस में बात ना करें, प्लीज. रिजल्ट ऑफ द डिवीजन सब्जेक्ट टू करेक्शन. आईज 21, नोज 56. The statutory resolution is negative. The statutory resolution is negative. No. Now we move to other bill. The University Grant Commission Amendment Bill 2024. Motion. The statutory resolution is negative. Therefore, motion is not adopted. Please, let us move. Let us move on. This is over. No. The University Grant Commission Amendment Bill 2024. Dr. Let the lobbies be opened. Let the lobbies be opened. Now we move to other bill. The University Grant Commission Amendment Bill 2024. Dr. John Brittas to move for leave to introduce the bill. Please. Nothing. We have already moved ahead.
Sir, I seek the leave of the House to introduce the bill to further to amend the University Grants Commission Act 1956 to fortify the principles of cooperative federalism in the domain of education and to import legislative lucidity for ensuring coherence and consistency with constitutional principles in the interplay between UGC regulations and state laws.
Thank you.
Same thing.
The question is that leave be granted to introduce the bill. Those in favor will please say aye. Aye. Those against will please say no. No. I think the ayes have it, please. Please. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. Please. Again. प्लीज आपस में बात ना करें. प्लीज सीट पर बैठकर आपस में बात ना करें. हम ये प्लीज मैं आप सबसे आग्रह कर रहा हूं. दूसरा बिल है डॉक्टर जॉन ब्रिटास का. लेट अस मूव फर्दर. 20. आपस में कोई बात नहीं. डॉक्टर जॉन ब्रिटास.
Sir, I introduce the bill.